So, too much responsibility. And I've always asked the question, why do we have too much responsibility? Why do we have a tendency to take on too much responsibility? And often the reason is not just because it just shows up. The reason is because there's so much going on within ourselves and we don't want to tell the truth. We don't want to tell the truth of what's happening. We don't want to face the truth. We don't want to hear the truth. So we take on other people's responsibility and things to do for them, and we do things for them so we don't have to deal with what's happening within ourselves. I've seen it too much. I've done it. So then we become overwhelmed and tense, which creates, of course, issues in the shoulders, but the shoulders are connected to the heart. So if there's issues with the shoulders, there's always going to be eventual issues with the heart.